Hi everyone. Today we're going to be making this door hanger for St. Patrick's Day. So it's very easy to cut out and glue on. When you stop by the library, I'll give you this long sheet of paper, 2 sheets of shamrocks that you can cut out and design however you please. So you need scissors and a glue stick at home. If you want to do this one, you just have to sit and cut them all out. With a little bit of light green paper, I made some extra loops to hang it with, but you can always just use tape or a string. I also wanted to show you a second variety. If you still have some creative energy left after you do your cutting, perhaps you can add some extra detail depending on what supplies you have at home. So I used some sparkly glitter. I left some plain. I used a little bit of gold craft paint, and then you see this one that looks a little bit tie-dyed. Let me show you a close-up. It looks like this, and this is a tie-dye paint that I made myself. It's shaving cream, and you can use craft paint, something like this, or today I used food coloring. So I just put a little bit of green and yellow. You need a little bit of that foamy shaving cream, and then you put a couple drops of the food coloring on there. Take a toothpick or something that's cleanable and won't stain, and you just swirl it. You see how you get that little swirl tie-dye effect? And I will show you with one of these. So I cut out this. You take it and you just smush it down. Can you see that? Right into there. You leave it sit there for a minute. Then you're going to take it out and scrape it. So you're going to want to take it and put it on something like a paper towel so you don't get any of that tie-dye anywhere. So now we'll take this out. And you see when you take it out, it already has a nice swirly effect. You could sit and leave it dry and it will have a little bit of puffy, but I know kids are impatient. They like using it right away. So just scrape it off with a flat edge. And look at that. Let me bring it up close for you. That is super pretty. You have to be careful when you're scraping off so you don't tear the paper. But this is just something a little extra. So let me show you that again. When it's dry, it looks like this. It doesn't matter what color craft paint you use. Let it dry for a little bit, and then you can make a design like this. If you could always hang it sideways across a window. If you have a paper plate at home, this would be really cute to cut out the center of the paper plate. You can make a little wreath. And even if you don't feel like adding anything extra, just the way it is cute, or you can always color with some markers or pencils. So we have all of our St. Patrick's Day books on display downstairs in Kids City. So come on in and grab some books, and hopefully I can see you all in person on March 26th when we have Scooby-Doo Day. We're gonna be outside having another one of our drive-by parades with Scooby-Doo this time. And he's gonna be there passing out some Scooby snacks. So hopefully if the weather's nice, we can do a little doggy scavenger hunt on the lawn. I don't know, do you think the snow will be melted? So we're gonna be there on Friday, March 26th from 2 to 4. Drive by and wave hi to Scooby-Doo and get a snack. And if it's nice enough, hopefully we can have some fun outside. Don't forget to hand in your Scooby-Doo in disguise. So we're going to be voting on this day, and I'll be calling you to have a first, second, and third prize for the top designs. So I hope to see you there. If you have any questions, call the library, 847-526-6225, or stop in today to register for many of our kids' events. See you soon. Happy St. Patrick's Day.